At OMB, we're tackling the challenge of integrating climate considerations into our financial planning. With the core model, the tool that I developed, we've been able to start addressing three key parts of this. First, we are beginning to forecast our emissions and are able to evaluate our progress towards our net zero goal. Secondly, we're able to automate visualizations, which allows us to streamline our workflows as well as boost our productivity. And third, the part that I'm most excited about, is that we're able to predict air quality and health impacts, which is something that lets us to target interventions to genuinely improve people's lives. So the most immediate outcome of this project has been the ability to publish our inaugural climate budgeting report, a major step forward in terms of transparency and accountability. But the core model has also opened up many new exciting possibilities for how we function at this agency. So one thing we're always looking for is how to be more transparent. With the core model, we're now able to communicate clearly on our progress towards our goals. And another really important aspect for OMB specifically is responsible and data-driven, unbiased decision-making. With this tool, we are now able to evaluate funding requests in real time and understand and quantify their effects on the environment and on people. This gives us a new, rooted in data method that can help us to prioritize initiatives that are more impactful. So the core model has really been a game changer for how we work at OMB, and very excited to be a part of it. So working in government, something that we often come across is, even though we're all trying to do really impactful and good work, we are all in silos, both people and the data that we work with. And I'm not just talking about city agencies. There were state agencies and federal agencies that we had to work with, so this was a massive undertaking. On the data side, we, as you can imagine, had to get data from various sources, which comes in very different formats. This required a lot of quality control and data wrangling to remedy it. And on the people side, we were working with both internal and external stakeholders. Internally, we had to constantly be asking ourselves, how do we make this tool not just functional, but actually useful for the entire team, and something that is flexible enough to adapt to our ongoing needs? And externally, we had to manage these relationships in a way that could convince them that not only was our work valuable, but it was worth their time to actually help us succeed. So I'm really thankful for this brilliant team that I had working alongside me to sift through all this data and manage these complex relationships. And through a lot of collaboration and feedback and just a lot of work together, I think we were able to succeed in creating a tool that was both powerful and practical. Winning this award and specifically being recognized at Gracie Mansion is a tremendous honor. It's a real testament to the hard work and dedication of our entire team, and I'm grateful to have been a part of it. I strongly believe in our collective responsibility to be good stewards of the city's resources. And so personally, this award has validated my decision to transition from the private sector to the public sector. It's validated my belief in that we should all be using our gifts to create a just and sustainable future for people and to improve people's lives. And it's served as an encouragement to me to continue pursuing my passion for public service and striving to glorify God in all of my work.